We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A bug, known as the Y2K bug, is causing chaos, malfunctions, and destructions across the globe. There is nothing humanity can do to stop the Y2K bug. At this time, gather all friends and family and brace for the end. Do any sort of activity to calm you down. Pray to God, and sadly say goodbye to our beautiful planet. I now say goodbye to the emergency alert system. This is the EAS guy, Tom, signing off for the final time. Please stay tuned for the final playing of the national anthem. God bless America.